Yo, what is up, ladies and gentlemen of the internet? My name is Brody from Chappysnapz, and welcome to this video. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to cut out hair or explosions in Photoshop. There's many ways to do this, including channels, but this takes way too long, not only to do, but also to perfect. So we're going to use layer masks. If you don't know how to make a layer mask, you're going to want to select a layer. You want to click right here. It's going to make a layer mask. And what you could do with this is you could do Control Command I to invert it and paint with black paint in white and reveal areas that you want to show in the layer mask, or paint with black to get rid of those areas. You can always disable and re-enable the layer mask by right clicking right next to it, like on the layer. You can always delete it. I've got two images for you guys. I got an aerial explosion right here and a guy with crazy hair. You're gonna want to get both of these. So let's copy this one first and paste it in here. Since he has a white background, we're gonna disable our background here. Now you can use whatever tool you want. You can use quick selection, but for this image, I'm going to use pen tool because I feel like that's going to be the easiest way. And make sure that you don't click on any areas that show the background. So you can make some exceptions, just make sure you don't do it too much. Once you're done, make sure to make a selection. And once you have the selection, click this layer mask option. Now, there you go, you're done. No. Obviously this looks very bad, so what you're going to want to do is double click on the layer mask. Make sure transparency is all the way to 100%. And you're going to click right here on the refine edge tool. You get around this size and just carefully go around the edges like so. As you can see, you are refining the edges to show the hair. Now, just make sure you get all the hair. And once you have a decent selection of the hair, you can see that you got some fringes. It's easy enough to correct. Just use the lasso tool. Go over these fringes. Just make sure you got a good selection of the hair. Once you do, press OK. And that's going to make that selection. Obviously, if you want to delete some areas, make sure you're not clicked on the layer mask like I am, and click right here. And now you can fix those areas like the outline that is showing. Now if you want to go back into the selection, say you messed up like I did right here, just double click on the layer mask again and just fix that area like so. And then once you're done, press OK. So I thought I showed you how to select hair. Let's go ahead and select this explosion. So make sure you copy that and put it into Photoshop. This one I'm going to use the quick selection. Select all the areas where some of the explosion is selected. Now you can see, again, very bad. But we're going to fix it. Once you feel that you've got a good selection, press OK. Again, some areas aren't perfect. You can always go back in and fix them. And there you go. This is how you can cut out explosions and hair in Photoshop. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All links will be in the description below. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.